It's been a while since gumawa tayo ng pork embutido. So meron ako dito mga 5.5 pounds of ground pork, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized na carrots, 2 medium-sized na red bell pepper. Gagamitin kong raisins is about 1.5 cup. Next is I have hot dogs. So toss lang natin and it's gonna turn into this. Ihalo lang natin hot dog, 1.5 cup ng pickle relish, mga 2 cups ng breadcrumbs, 6 whole eggs, 2 cups ng grated cheddar cheese, 1 cup ng banana ketchup, 4 tablespoons ng oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of salt, and mga 2 tablespoons ng black pepper. Kailangan natin itong haluin mabuti para talagang yung flavor ay pantay. And we're just gonna brush this with a little bit of butter. Just roll. And that's it.
Tikman mo muna ng walang ketchup.
Ay, buo siya.
Mm.